Ever wondered why that Venmo payment to your friend for lunch suddenly cost you a little extra? Or maybe you've heard whispers about fees but never really understood when they apply. Thinking Face today, we're breaking down the difference between using a credit card versus a debit card on Venmo. First off, let's talk about the big, simple rule. Using your Venmo balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card to send money is completely free. That's the golden ticket for peer-to-peer payments. Whether you're splitting the cost of a concert ticket or paying back a roommate for rent, as long as the money is coming from your bank or a debit card, you won't pay a dime in fees. Venmo makes money in other ways, so they're happy to offer this core service at no charge to you. The credit card fee. Now for the flip side, the credit card fee. If you use a linked credit card to send a payment to another person on Venmo, you'll be charged a 3% fee on the transaction. It's a pretty significant fee, and it's something many people overlook. This fee is in place because Venmo has to pay processing fees to the credit card companies, and they pass that cost on to you. So, that $20 you sent to your friend for a movie ticket suddenly becomes $20.60, and you're the one who has to pay the extra 60 cents. The one exception to this is when you use a Venmo credit card to pay a business that accepts Venmo. In those cases, the fee is generally absorbed by the business, not you. Why the difference? So why is there a fee for credit cards but not for debit cards? The answer lies in how these cards work. Debit cards pull money directly from your bank account, which is a low-cost transaction for Venmo. Credit cards, on the other hand, are a form of borrowed money, and the financial networks that process them charge higher fees to the merchant, in this case, Venmo. These fees cover things like fraud protection and the cost of lending. Since Venmo's business model is built on convenience and low-cost transactions, they have to charge you that 3% to make it worth their while. The key takeaway? When using Venmo for personal payments, stick to your debit card or bank account to avoid fees. Only use a credit card if you absolutely have to and are willing to pay the extra charge. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.